continue our work, jr.4, number 14. Pilots work for the Navy, Air Forces, or the police. So, what do the pilots do? They fly the airplanes, so they work for the Air Forces. Number 15. A plane or spacecraft or cart travels into space. Yes, it's the word spacecraft. Why? Because it's the only vehicle that travels to space. Number 16. A cosmonaut is a Russian, American, British astronaut. So he is Russian, as we said. Number 17. Valentina became an engineer in a factory that makes clothes, planes, or tractors. For sure, she was a spinning engineer, so she worked for a factory that makes clothes. Number 18. Russia and America are painters, pioneers, players in space travel. So, which one will I choose? Are they painters, artists? No. Are they players? No. They are pioneers because they are the first to study space. Number 19. My father was a soldier and he fought in many matches, battles, exams. So, if someone is a soldier, he will fight in a battle. Great job. Number 20. Our flight officer or commander or teacher gave us orders to attack the enemy. Our flight officer or commander or teacher gave us orders. So the one who gives orders is the commander, like the sheriff, okay? Someone who is the leader for a team, for the army, someone like this. Number 21. A large comet bomb was about to crash into the earth. So the ball will crash into the earth? For sure, no. The bomb? No. The comet, because it's a ball or mass of ice and dust that has got a tail and it orbits around the sun. Number 22. Shaika is a Russian word which means for sure it's not a chicken and not an albatross, so it's a seagull, and we have studied. Number 23. A space mechanic, engineer, doctor is someone who repairs equipment at space. Like he is someone who fixes the spacecrafts, rockets, or anything or any vehicle that's related in space. It will be space engineer. 24. My brother woke up screaming last night. He must have had a bad dream. Cream, stream. Cream? Sure, no. Stream, no. So it will be dream. And we have an equal word that equals the word bad dream, which is called a nightmare. Number 2, fill in the gaps. Okay, you can fill in the gaps in page number 47. Okay, number 1. Do you wish you could travel in space? Sure, because it's a wish. Not all of us can do it. Number 2. Tom missed his because he arrived late at the airport. So if I'm gonna to the airport, I will go for a voyage or a flight. Yes, it's a flight to travel by air. Number 3. Astronauts wear in order to travel to space. So what is the uniform, for example, for the astronauts? It will be space suit. Number 4. The farmer keeps his in the barn. So it's a vehicle that plows the soil. Yes, the tractor. Number 5. Astronauts use to travel to space. I can write any vehicle that travels to space, like, for example, spaceship, spacecraft, or the rocket. And here I wrote spacecraft. Number 6. The dots had exploded as it landed on the floor, leaving a gaping hole. So, what can go in space and leaving gaping hole in the land? It's the rocket, because it have a very, very great speed. Number 7. Tom is scared of. She has a problem with high places. So what kind of a sport I can go there? Up in the sky. It will be skydiving. Number 8. Dots looks like a star with a tail. They aren't asteroids. They are comets. We have said it. And we studied in science. Number 3, give one word. Also in page number 47 in your booklet. Someone who is the first to study or develop something, he will be a pioneer. Number 2, a device for slowing or descending a person through the air. Yes, it will be a parachute.